Well, the idea to buy the first home was actually Yari's. I was the one that was a bit hesitant.
Yeah, and we'd had a property before. We'd had a property some years ago that was an investment property, and when we had that for just a little while, and we sold that one, unfortunately, it was probably something we shouldn't have done, but we did, and we made a good profit out of that. So we figured, yeah, I thought, well, we should be doing something with our money, so talked her into it, and she's relished the thought since. Really got into it, haven't you?
Yes, we have. Yeah. So we've got 3 properties now.
Oh, how come we bought 3 properties? Because we were keen, keen to invest our money in something, and the buying of the property was so easy that we figured we might as well put our money to good use. And the simplicity was what really was the driving force behind it. We didn't get bogged down in paperwork and things like that. McCarthy Group did everything for us. It was easy.
I was against Yari because just of the risk factors, I think, and sort of it all being unknown, sort of about financing and how you go about looking at the right type of properties, then the complications of getting tenants in and managing that process. But with McCarthy Group, they do it all for you.
I probably am a little bit of a risk taker. I don't see it so much as a risk. That's the thing. With property investment, it's not a risk, really. Properties traditionally have always gone up in value. There's a shortage everywhere you go. Everybody talks about shortage of rental markets. So it's not really a risk. So I don't see it as much as a risk as probably Cynthia did originally. But yeah, she didn't take a lot of convincing. I think she was sort of thinking along those lines already anyway. But the simplicity of doing the process through the McCarthy Group was she said, well, that's easy, let's do it.
Yeah, that was the selling point.
Yeah.
Yeah.